I always say in Shiv Yoga that we were de-evolving. We are not evolving because we stopped utilizing our own faculties, and all the knowledge which was there inside, we started drifting away. And that inner potential, every human being who has the infinite inner potential, we stopped utilizing it. So we were de-evolving, we were not evolving. If you say the outer equipments have evolved, I will say yes. But if you say the human being has evolved, I will say no. So the time has come, and this is very correct, what you are feeling. There is a shift which is going to happen. The time has come where there is going to be a shift, and the Shiv Yoga is indicating towards that shift. How many times we had the time to attend a spiritual program? Even the youth coming to the spiritual program. Even the parents used to stop. Why you are going now? When you will grow old, then you go. Because there they used to think कि Ram Ram, Krishna Krishna करके आ जाएंगे. But now you are learning a science. This is the science which we had forgotten. This is the lost science which has been gradually we have been forgetting, and so much of we have fragmented the society that the inner consciousness, the inner infinite power, gradually we went on decreasing. I give example of a Stone Age man. We say he was primitive and we are evolved. He didn't know the language. For the language, what he used to do, he used to draw. If he has to communicate, he will draw the drawing. We have learned the language. I will ask you that when you are speaking, just relax and think and see that whatever you are speaking, first you make a mental picture. Yes or no? When you are saying what happened, you are recalling that. You are seeing that. Now we have, that comes from within. The picturization, the visualization. And that visualization comes from the subconscious mind. And the language comes from the conscious mind. So we have forgotten that. They were more powerful because they used to, when you are picturizing, you're feeling, you're using all the bodies, the physical body, the left and right hemisphere, you're using emotions, you're using the mental powers. And when you are speaking, you're not using anything. Without emotion, without mental power, without even visualizing, you just you speak. And if you are going to learn that, I'm going to teach you. You emit vibrations of what you feel. And the vibrations of what you speak are so weak that it cannot move an object. And this is what is there, the whole universe. The old age, the good old days, the people scientifically may not be knowing, but they were practicing the science of vibrations. Because that science which the Shiv Yogi knew and the Einstein acknowledged it scientifically, that vibration gives birth to energy, energy gives birth to the physical reality. The human being at today's age is only working at the physical reality. So the quantum change is coming again. And this Shiv Yoga gathering is understanding and learning of a human being as a whole. That it is not just a physical body, it is the combination of 5 bodies, and even these 5 bodies are governed by somebody else. Until the time that somebody else is prevalent, is present in the 5 bodies, they are there. And the moment that somebody pulls itself out from the physical body is dead. From the second body, it is dead. So that is the Atma, the soul.